bakery over there. Actually, here it's really good. That's Bevo's, I believe. We'll probably check it out. Some great pastries over there. We'll try to check it out. We'll stop here on the way back. So that girl actually saying that Mike's pastry and modern pastry apparently is better. I guess maybe for cannoli. I don't know. I think I've had Mike's pastry a few years back. Thought it was all right. I had heard that this place was good. I think I'll still give it a shot. Still debating which place we should get cannolis at. My buddies did not actually join me today, and I was thinking that it would be nice to bring them some cannoli back. I have no idea if they like cannoli. If they don't, I guess I'll eat all their portions. But yeah, I'm not sure where should we get cannoli. I mean, I was really thinking of getting it at that I believe Bova place. And just as I was passing by, right, we were passing by, and then that tour guide lady telling people that it's not as good as Mike's and modern pastry. Maybe I should ask people around. Maybe I should ask people around here where I should get my cannoli. I mean, the residents of the North End, they probably have a good idea where the best cannoli are at. Got to talk to some locals here. Oh, you know what? Let's ask them. Hey, since you guys seem to be in the know, where should I get cannoli? Yeah? Okay. What about Bevo or whatever? Something like. It's okay, but not as good as the other two? I mean, I looked it up, and it was like everyone says Mike's pastry are modern, but then that one they were saying like that it was kind of sort of good, but maybe people like it was kind of flying under the radar. So.
Here's what you do.
That's right. That's right. Yes. Yes. That's right. That's right. You don't like cannoli? Well, this was somewhat helpful. Cool, guys. Ciao. All right, so, I mean, we did ask the locals. Not sure that really helped. I mean, the place, nobody seems to mention the place that I wanted to go to. Now, should I be a contrarian, which I think is what I tend to do, and go for the place that nobody said to go to? You know what? I'm gonna try it. We'll try Bevo Cannolo, and if we like it, I'll grab some for my friends, and if not, I'll go to the next place and try another one. I think we have a plan. I think it's the next corner. Let's see. This is, I'm sorry, I was mastering the name. This is Bova's Bakery. All right, let's try it out. All right, so look at that. We have some great assortment of Italian desserts. Looks like some tiramisu right there. Great little selection here of, I guess, some Italian cookies. Some bread over there. All right, and we are here for the cannoli. So, my God, even a big selection of cannoli as well. What do we pick? Then can I just have one classic, please? Let's try our first Boston cannoli. So, looks great. Filling inside, so I went with the classic. They said the ricotta was pretty sweet, so I decided not to get on top of that chocolate chips and shell that's sweet as well. So let's give it a try. Very good. Ricotta. It's actually not too sweet. I actually really like it. Very good. Yeah, ricotta just perfectly, just sweetened enough. Not too sweet. Shell's super crispy. Really nice. I'm really leaning towards actually getting over my FOMO and just getting cannoli here for my buddies, and maybe just skipping Mike's and modern. Is that a sign of maturity? Well, we found some delicious cannoli. Thanks again. Have a good one. Ciao.